what if I told you Marvel is about to tell the darkest Spider-Man story ever? Like even darker than Spider-Man No Way Home and Infinity War? Hear me out. What if Hulk kills Spider-Man, Venom brings him back, and that resurrection unleashes Null? Yeah, it sounds insane, but just imagine this. New York is in chaos, Hulk is completely out of control, tearing through the city, and like always, Spider-Man swings in, cracking jokes, trying to slow him down, but this time, Peter isn't fast enough. One punch and that's it. Peter Parker is dead. Hours later, Frank Castle finds the body. He carries him to the Claire Temple, and the moment she looks at Peter, she knows there's nothing to save. Spider-Man is gone. Until something moves in the darkness. The Venom symbiote bonds to Peter's body and pulls him back from the edge. Peter wakes up, but he's not the same. He's stronger and angrier. The symbiote didn't just save his life, it became a part of him in his darkest moment. And far away, something ancient feels that change. Peter remembers dying, the pain, the fear, the moment everything went black. Now there's a voice in his head, always whispering, pushing him further. And a Spider-Man who is hurting is exactly the kind of opening Null has been waiting for. And then it happens. Null breaks free and comes to Earth. All because Spider-Man was brought back. Now Peter has one final choice. Either keep the symbiote and doom everything, or reject it and die for real. Either way, Spider-Man loses. Now if this actually happens, we are not ready for this. Like and subscribe and tell me in comments, do you want Null in MCU?